Hello, I'm Kieran Fitzgerald from DeLaval, and I'm really excited to be able to share with you today some of the great new features we deliver as part of DeLaval DelPro Farm Management Platform 5.5. DelPro FarmManager has always provided many useful default reports for animal attentions and to keep an eye on farm performance, and the ability to create your own personalised reports. Now with the latest release of DelPro Companion 5.5, the animals on those reports are available to you wherever you are in the barn on your phone, and I'd like to show you how to do that. So here in the DelPro FarmManager monitor board, I find my favourite reports on the left-hand side. When I open one of those reports, I can see at the top there is a filter behind it. The filter in this example is called Repro Abnormal Cycles. To use that filter in DelPro Companion, I go to Tools, I go to Filters, I highlight the filter called Repro Abnormal Cycles, and in the top I click on the icon that is called Use in Companion. So now I've sent that filter from FarmManager to Companion. The animals that make up that report are available to me on my phone. And I find those by going into Companion and swiping to the second home screen and clicking on the icon in the top left corner that opens my filters. So after just a few clicks to set that up, I now have all the animals that make up my favourite reports with me wherever I am in the barn with DelPro Companion.